wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best battle drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Just because the sun has set doesn't mean you have to abandon your aerial warfare thanks to the Skyking S55X. Each machine has a few colourful navigation lights, so you won't lose track of them in the dark, unless you get shot down, that is. These spin to indicate hits and offer a headless mode. However, it is expensive for what you get. At number 9, Air Wars provides one of the most versatile options on the market, as each unit is equipped with a vast array of weaponry and boasts 4 attack moves, which keeps things fun and engaging while also encouraging a bit of strategy. The set includes 8 replacement propellers, and the remotes are interchangeable, but these may be difficult for kids to control. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you can take Darth Vader's ship for a spin with the Propel TIE Fighter. The companion app lets you compete against up to 11 people at the same time, or you can just buzz around in the flight simulator if you're feeling particularly non-violent that day. Each is hand-painted and numbered, and the propellers can also spin in reverse. However, the batteries only last about 5 minutes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, designed specifically for little ones, the lefant fighting is remarkably straightforward to control. You don't need to hold the throttle in place, as it has an auto hover feature, and takeoffs and landings are as simple as pressing a button. This one's ideal for indoor use and offers a short charging time, but it lacks propeller guards. Moving up our list to number 6. For many kids nowadays, nothing says war quite like a certain iconic video game, which is why the quadrone Call of Duty could be a big hit in your household. These can be used at distances of up to 150 feet, so you can encourage them to take their battles outside. It gently shuts off after 3 hits and can fight unlimited opponents. Note that it's a smart idea to buy extra batteries. Halfway up our list at number 5, the luckyks Mini are perfect with taking with you on the road or to a friend's house. While they're already compact when buzzing around in the air, you can fold the wings up when you're done to tuck them into your backpack or luggage. It's easy to replace the blades, and they come with very responsive controls. The batteries charge in about an hour. At number 4, relive your favorite space battles with the Propel T-65 X-Wing. A faithful recreation of the beloved Star Wars craft, this isn't just a nostalgia piece. It's capable of reaching speeds of 35 miles per hour. That's some serious force that's going to be with you. It can be controlled via a Bluetooth app and comes with a display case. It can also fight simulated skirmishes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It may not look like your typical drone, but the Propel speeder bike still flies like one. It offers 3 settings from beginner to advanced, as well as an altitude stabilization mode that helps keep you from crashing too often while you're learning the ropes. It works with or without a rider and makes a great display piece. It includes a high-quality controller. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the faithpro AGO5 aren't much to look at, but they make up for that by being easy to pilot and offering plenty of features. The controllers are small enough to fit in one hand, so children shouldn't have any problem hanging onto them. These feature an infrared battle system and a 1-key takeoff ability, plus they alert you when the battery is low. And coming in at number 1 on our list, gamers will find flying the Holy Stone HS-177 to be incredibly familiar, as the controllers resemble those found on PS4s and Xboxes. They have 2 joysticks, and you can switch between a left or right-hand configuration to accommodate your personal preference. They boast 3 speed modes, an emergency stop button, and effortless 360-degree flips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle drones, or simply click beneath this video.